Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tropical plan with me, and if you guys remember in one of my previous videos, I showed you this sticker booklet. So basically this has puffy stickers, glitter stickers, foil, and glossy. If you guys have not watched that video yet, I'm going to link it down below, but just to tell you guys, I did get this sticker booklet from the Dollar Tree, and I got it like 2 weeks ago, so I'm not sure if it's still around or not. So yeah, Dollar Tree is always changing up their items, but they always have really nice stuff, so you should go check it out. And the first planner that I'm going to be using is this marble pink one, and if you guys have seen one of my previous plan with me's, you guys know that I love to like just scrapbook in this planner. So usually I use like these type of papers, and this is just so beautiful with all these colors and stuff. This is exactly the theme that I'm going for this plan with me. But these are dividers actually, and I got these in a pack at Target, and they were only $1 for all of them. But I'm also going to be using other paper, just anything that you have, like scrapbook paper or just anything like that. So I'm going to be using these, and then also these page flags that I got from Target a couple of years ago that I never used, but these are also really pretty and they match with the papers that I'm going to be using or the theme that I'm going to be going for. And then I also have this beautiful pen with these leaves. Alright, so I do have this paper right here that's already cut out and measured to fit the planner that we're going to be using right now. And then I'm going to be using it to measure out these other bigger papers, and I'm just going to be tracing the lines around to see how big I'm going to be cutting them. And then yeah, I'm going to be folding them into a little booklet so that I can put them inside of the planner. So this is a planner that I'm first going to be using, and I still have the Valentine's Day spread in here. That's the video that I filmed in February for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be definitely covering those up, and I'm going to be showing you how I do that in just a little bit. But yeah, we're going to be focusing all in tropical, like spring, summer, hot, I don't know, like just tropical vibes here. So I'm going to be putting the booklet that we made and some paper, which is where we're going to be doing our like weekly view, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So to cover up some of the Valentine decor that I have in this planner, I'm going to be using this really pretty tropical paper, and I'm just going to be measuring it out to the size of the planner, and I'm going to be cutting it out. I also got these magnets from Michael's. I think they were a little less than $2 because they were on sale, but I really love the pineapple on there and the flamingo, and I wanted to use these for this spread because I didn't want to glue over top the Valentine's Day one. So these worked out perfect for that. So first things first, as always, I'm going to be decorating this weekly view with a little bit of washi tape, and this is also going to be helping me by dividing the boxes. So what you want to do if you have something similar to this, or if you're creating your own from scratch, just like I am right here, is making 4 boxes on each side. That way you can have like a Monday through Friday, and then also another extra for notes. And then I'm going to be going in with my pen, and I'm just going to be like double tracing all the days of the week, and I'm going to be using those stickers for the numbers of the week. So now I'm going to go in with these little page flags, and I usually use page flags only when I don't know if something's going to happen. So for example, this Friday I was supposed to have, or am going to have, barbecue with some friends, but if I know that it's not like 100% I'll just go in with a page flag. That way I can just easily take off the page flag instead of scratching it out in my planner, and then it looks a lot neater that way. And if it does happen, I can just easily go in and like write it down afterwards. Same thing with sticky notes. If you guys have like an idea, or maybe you want to take down a note really quickly but you don't want to write it down in your planner, you can always just use a sticky note, take it off later, write it down if it happens. And yeah, so I'm going back and forth between two sticker booklets that I got at the Dollar Tree. This one I was so surprised to find there because these stickers are so similar to the ones from the Happy Planner or Me and My Big Ideas. Usually what I do is I just decorate my planner a little bit with a little bit of stickers, so that way I can know how much I'm going to be writing, and if I have more space I'll go back with more stickers and decorate. Alright, so now that I'm done writing, I'm going to be moving the little flamingo magnet, and I'm going to be holding all the Valentine pages together. That way it also serves like a little bookmark. That way I can just go back to the week that I'm in. And then I'm also going to be going back with some stickers, and I'm just going to be decorating a little bit more. But I don't know what it is, but I love my planner to look very decorative and just full. And yeah, it just makes me so happy. And this is the way that it looks like. It's super easy to like DIY your own planner spread. Alright, so now I'm going to be decorating the front side of the planner, and I'm going to be using this divider, and I'm going to be using it kind of like as a popper just so that it can stand out. And I'm going to be basically doing the same thing, drawing the little marks, cutting it out, and I'm just going to be putting it behind this pocket. And as you guys can see, it makes a huge difference. It just makes it look more colorful and it stands out a lot more. And then I'm going to be using another one of those magnets, and I'm just going to be keeping it there just in case I need another one. And the bookmarks I can easily just store in behind the pocket or put double-sided tape and put it in the front right there. And then I'm going to be going in with some stickers, washi tape, and just scrapbooks of paper. And I'm just going to be scrapbooking and decorating the front of the planner. And for the other pages that we added, you can definitely go in and just scrapbook in there too, or maybe use it for notes or any ideas that you might have. Maybe make another planner spread if you want to. So yeah, totally up to you. Now moving on to the other planner. I love this planner and I'm obsessed that it has like a little pineapple, but you can write down monthly goals, important dates, projects, special events, and stuff like that. So that's what I always do in the beginning of the month. I just fill it in with all of my ideas and stuff like that. So after that, I have my monthly view, and yes, I wrote it down super huge. My insurance is due, which is already paid for. And then this is the week that we're going to be decorating. So I'm just going to be pulling these pages out. And let's go ahead and get started with some washi tape. Now, this planner spread did have pink, and it had a lot of pink. Honestly, like I wanted to keep the pink, but I didn't want like too much because I felt like it looked so bright. But I still wanted to keep some of the pink in there. So that's why I'm not going to be covering it all up, but just a little bit of it. And I'm going to be using like floral washi tape and just anything that looks very bright and summery. And yeah. So like I was saying, I wanted some of the pink, but I didn't want that much. So I found these stickers that kind of look like long strips of washi tape. And I'm just going to be covering up a little bit of the pink with them. And yeah, it looks so much better this way. So now I'm just going to be writing everything that I'm going to be doing throughout the week, and I'm basically just copying everything that I wrote down in the other planner. And then this Friday I do have that barbecue with my friends, and then I need to pack, which I didn't write down, but that's gonna happen because on Saturday I'm going to be going on a girls trip, and on the little sticker down where it says notes, I'm going to be writing down that it's going to be my mom's birthday the next Monday on April 8th. So very excited about everything that's coming up. I'm also going to be using these stickers just as little reminders to pump gas, pay light and water, and then the phone bill coming up. And yeah, that's what I use these stickers mostly for. I'm going to be using other different stickers just to kind of decorate my planner. Like I said, the idea for me is always to make my planner look very fun and full. It just makes me really happy. It makes me want to like write down on my planner more just because it's so fun to look at. And yeah, that's basically all for this video. Comment down below which planner spread you guys liked more, the DIY one or this one. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe down below. I would really love to have you. I have lots of different kinds of videos here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!